We've all been there. You're trying to set up a smart device, and suddenly you realize the QR code is nowhere to be found. Maybe it fell off, got damaged, or you simply misplaced the setup card. Take a deep breath. This happens to everyone, and I'm here to show you that it's actually not a big problem anymore. Here's some great news that might surprise you. Since 2023, over 90% of smart devices now support alternative pairing methods beyond QR codes. This means manufacturers have recognized that relying solely on those little square codes creates unnecessary frustration for users like you and me. Let me walk you through the four main alternative pairing methods that most modern devices now support. Think of these as your backup plans when the QR code isn't available. First up is Bluetooth-based recovery. Most modern devices use something called Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, which creates a discovery mode. When your device is in pairing mode, your smartphone can actually find it directly without needing any codes. It's like your phone is actively looking for nearby devices that want to connect. Next is NFC Tap to Pair, which is becoming incredibly popular. NFC stands for Near Field Communication, and it's the same technology used for contactless payments. Many headphones, speakers, and smart home devices now have NFC spots where you simply tap your phone to initiate pairing. It's that simple. Just a quick tap and you're connected. The third method is app-based device discovery, and this is probably the most user-friendly option. Most manufacturer apps now have a Find My Device or Add Device function that actively scans for nearby unpaired devices. The app does all the heavy lifting. It searches, identifies, and guides you through the pairing process step by step. Finally, there's voice-activated pairing, which feels almost magical when it works. Smart speakers and displays can now initiate pairing through simple voice commands. You might say something like, "Hey Google, set up my device," or "Alexa, add a new device," and the system will guide you through the process hands-free. Now let's talk about platform-specific solutions, because each major smart home ecosystem has developed its own user-friendly approach to device recovery. These are the tools built right into the apps you probably already have on your phone. For Apple users, the Home app has an Add Accessory function that's incredibly intuitive. When you tap this option, your iPhone automatically starts scanning for nearby HomeKit-compatible devices. The app will guide you through the entire process, and you'll see a clean interface that makes pairing feel effortless. Google Home and Nest users have the Setup Device feature, which is equally user-friendly. The Google Home app can detect a wide variety of smart devices and even helps with voice recognition setup. It's designed to make the whole process feel seamless and stress-free. Amazon Alexa users can use the Add Device function in the Alexa app, and many Echo devices also support voice-initiated setup. You can literally tell your Echo to help you add a new device, and it will walk you through the process using both voice prompts and the app interface. Finally, Samsung SmartThings has really stepped up their game with enhanced device discovery features. Their app now includes visual recognition capabilities and can identify many devices automatically. It's particularly good at handling a wide variety of device types and brands, not just Samsung products. Before we wrap up this section, let me mention one more thing that's becoming increasingly important: the Matter protocol. Matter is a new universal standard that's making device pairing even easier across different ecosystems. If your device supports Matter, you'll have even more flexibility in how you set it up, regardless of which smart home platform you prefer. Don't worry if you've lost your device's QR code. I'm going to walk you through the most reliable way to get your device reconnected. The first and most effective method is the factory reset approach. Factory reset is your most reliable option because it returns the device to its original setup state. For most devices, you'll need to hold specific button combinations for about 5 to 10 seconds. Different types of devices have different button combinations. For audio devices like headphones or speakers, you'll typically hold the power button plus volume buttons simultaneously. Smart home devices usually have a dedicated reset button you'll need to press and hold. Once you've successfully put your device into pairing mode, you'll have a limited time window, typically between 2 to 5 minutes, to complete the connection. This is important to remember because the device will automatically exit pairing mode after this time for security reasons. Now grab your smartphone or tablet and open the manufacturer's app. Look for options like Add Device, Find My Device, or Set Up Device. These features will automatically scan for nearby devices that are in pairing mode. If you're setting up a Wi-Fi device, you have additional options. Many routers support WPS or Wi-Fi protected setup, which allows devices to connect with the push of a button. You might also see AP mode or access point mode, which creates a temporary network for setup. For smart speakers and displays, you can often use voice commands to initiate pairing. Try saying, "Hey Google, set up my device," or Alexa, discover devices while you're near the device you want to connect. Once your device is successfully paired, there are two important security steps you shouldn't skip. First, change any default passwords immediately. Second, verify that you're connecting to the correct device by checking the device name or serial number. This ensures you're not accidentally connecting to a neighbor's device. And that's it. You've successfully repaired your device without needing the original QR code. Remember, most modern devices are designed with multiple pairing methods, so don't get discouraged if the first method doesn't work. Try the next approach, and you'll get connected. These steps work for about 95% of devices manufactured after 2023.